Hi, my dear CEOs and fellow hamsters. Today I'm exploring some surprising perspectives on money and the cheeky ways some millionaires use to keep more of their nuts to themselves. From $80 shoes that last longer than my lifelong snack time to rich folks who can't tell what day it is, we're diving into really weird flexes. You think millionaires always swim in piles of gold? Think again. Turns out even hamsters with massive cages can sleep in the corner under a paper towel. Let's see what a millionaire lifestyle really looks like. Spoiler, don't expect fancy fluff.
So you're a millionaire? Yep. So how much money do you have in the bank? 30,000? I bet you have some exotic cars in the garage though, huh? No? My car is maybe 5 years old and worth 20 grand? Okay, but this house, it's gotta be worth millions, right? 600,000. Can I see your shoe collection? I didn't know you had a fetish. I don't, just, come on, show me. Wow, who would have thought? See that pair right there? Mm-hmm. $80, and it's lasted me 7 years. Okay, but surely your watch is worth... What the hell's the point of being a millionaire if you're not buying fancy stuff? If you've been following Imran the finance engineer, you know it's all about owning your time. What does that mean? Most people fall into the trap of buying fancy things because they either want to appear rich or they think it'll bring them long-term happiness. Unfortunately, materialism forces you to keep working so you can continue paying for stuff. Okay, hear me out. Can I take some feet pics?
So you're telling me you're a millionaire and all you've got is a pair of shoes older than my grandma? If I had $1 million bucks, I'd have a golden food bowl, a diamond-encrusted water bottle, and a wheel made of silk. Owning your time? Buddy, I own my time. I sleep 16 hours a day. I need to have a word with your financial advisor, or at least your shoe guy. Ever meet someone with questionable brains but so rich you wonder if they bribe the universe for extra luck? I mean, some hamsters are the best proof that anyone can make big money. Let's roll in the next story and discover why you should never listen to anyone squeaking that you could never.
I don't ever want somebody telling me again that I can't do what I want to do. And I don't want to feel the control of another human on top of me. And so for me, money is freedom. And I think it is really your ability to push back on the universe. Like the more money you have, the more you get to exert your will on the world. And the less money you have, the more you get exerted upon. And so I didn't like that.
Right.
And so that was the moment that I was like, bah, I don't ever want that to happen again. And then the moment where I was like, ooh, I think I can actually do this was when, you know, do you remember like the first time you met a really rich person and you were like, they're not that smart? And I had one of those moments where I met...
You're like, how's this person have money?
Yeah, I was like, what? This guy?
You're saying more money equals more freedom? Well, I guess if I had a mountain of seeds, I could build a kingdom and finally control all the snack time decisions. But hey, at least I don't have to exert my will on the universe. I just chew on my bars until I get what I want. Ever feel like you're missing out on some big secret and running in circles while other hamsters stay so chill but get so many seeds? The next guy totally knows the secret. He's making millions, doesn't even know what day it is, and is somehow not paying any taxes. Let's crack open this mystery. I'll definitely use some tips for my next great escape.
He showed up into my office. I saw on his tax return so many zeros, my head was spinning. But what really captivated me was that for someone who was making 8 figures net income, that he was paying 0% in taxes. How? And I could not understand it. You're showing 10 million here, brother. But then on the tax liability line, it's saying 0. And then I ask you, how is your life going? He's like, Carlton, I don't even know what day of the week it is.
That busy.
Not that he's that busy. He has not worked. And it's because he had built such a big real estate portfolio that he was making $10 million passively. And he was paying 0% in taxes. When he left my office, he went to San Diego with his children and spent the rest of that week taking them to SeaWorld. It was a Tuesday, Chris. He didn't know what day it was. And that's what told me I need to understand. I need to understand real estate, and I need to understand all the tax strategies around real estate because
$10 million and he doesn't even know what day it is? I lose track of days too, but that's because I'm in a cozy little food coma. Buddy, having $10 million and not paying taxes is not real estate anymore. That's unreal estate. Seriously, just sign me up. Who knew not working could be such a successful career? For more insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. Bye.